Hey guys, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with a brand new viral ramen hack. This is a mind blower. I'm going to show you my family's time-honored recipe for making the best ramen you've ever had. We need one of these. We're going to crush it up. Next we need 1 cup of boiling water. Now we dump it in. Stir it until all the noodles suck up all that water. Boy, this is going to be good. Seasonings? We got those covered. Now we're gonna add 3 ingredients that are gonna make this ramen the best you've ever had. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of mustard, and the magic secret, garlic powder. Now we stir it all up. Look at that, so simple. This right here is the recipe the ramen masters in Japan don't want you to know. Let's give it a try. That sweetness of maple syrup and the tartness of the mustard go together so well. And the savoriness of the garlic powder just ties it all together. This is my daughter Mimi. Say hi to the nice people.
Hi, nice people.
You want to try it?
Yeah. That's the best.
Isn't that amazing? It's so good and so tasty. My family enjoys this on the reg. You should try it. You can add other things too. Savory, luxuriant mayonnaise. Some people like it with marshmallows. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your awesome noodles each and every day. Hack 'em up. Have a good one. Bye.